So this is stage 2 lecture 2. Now here, whenever you get this formula, you are going to apply this formula in many problems for your examination point of view when we solve the numericals. Now this n factor equivalent conductance molar conductance is very crucial. All of you know that equivalent conductance equal to K into 1000 divided by C or normality. If it is equivalent molar conductance, equivalent conductance it is K into 1000 by n is normality. Now in this concept video I am going to give a brief account of what is the meaning of normality, what were the formulas we studied in the first PU. So this is what we are going to discuss here. So over to a recap of what is the meaning of normality. Okay, great. On an average, around 50 to 60% of the students who attend the NEET examination or any competitive examination, when you come to second PU, it is a human tendency that children are likely to forget the formulas for normality, how to apply it. That is very important. So first, normal is equal to number of gram equivalents of solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. So what is the meaning of gram equivalent? Gram equivalent is given mass of the solute by equivalent mass of the solute. So here what is the meaning of W suffix B? B is given mass of solute. We can say in electrochemistry, we can say given mass of electrolyte. So here electrolyte is a solute. EB is called equivalent mass of the electrolyte. Okay, into 1 by volume of the solution in liter. So what is V suffix S? Volume of the solution. So before electrolysis you will dissolve it. So if you know the equivalent mass formula, then only you will be able to substitute it in the Faraday's first law or Faraday's second law. So this is equal to WB by EB into 1 by. So if you convert it to ml, you can say that if you convert it to ml, if you convert this this to ml, then you will have to divide it by 1000, because 1 ml is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Since 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, 1 ml is equal to. Now you substitute this, you arrange this equation, 1000 you will get in the numerator. So volume of the solution in ml. So this is a normality formula. Okay. Some other formulas are also there connecting to normality. Normality into volume in liters, if you multiply, normality into volume, it is known as gram equivalent. Or simply it is a number of equivalents. Now in electrochemistry we have already discussed that number of equivalents is equal to number of Faradays. So in the numerical, if you are getting the number of Faradays, you can write number of Faradays is equal to number of equivalents. So see how I am connecting the stoichiometry with the electrochemistry. Stoichiometry with electrochemistry, we have to keep on connecting it. It is very important. Next, if supposing the volume of the solution, so this is volume of the solution. If the volume of the solution is ml, instead of gram equivalent or equivalent, you will get milli equivalent. you will get a milli equivalent. Okay. Then next is, all of you know what is molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute by volume of the solution in liter. So what is N suffix B here? Number of moles of solute. Volume of the solution, already I have given the terminology in the previous. So number of moles is given mass by molar mass into, once again you convert it to volume of the solution to ml, you will get this formula. So here what is mb? mb is molar mass of solute. So in electrochemistry we will say molar mass of electrolyte. Here also we can say number of moles of electrolyte. Electrolyte is solute which you are dissolving it in the aqueous medium before electrolysis. So once again, molarity into volume will give number of moles. How you will get number of moles? See, unit of molarity is moles per liter into liter. Liter cancel, so you will get moles. Next, if the same formula is containing volume in ml, you will get millimoles. Okay. So these are the very important formulas which you should understand when you discuss the molarity equation. And also one more concept I would like to give here. All of you know this concept, but if you have to in the acid base reaction, if they ask the acid and base they are mixing and electrolyzing, you have to apply dilution formula N1V1 equal to N2V2. So this is normality and volume before dilution. This is normality and volume after dilution. Okay. So these kind of formulas will be very important for you in your, you have to recap all these concept videos, whatever we are doing, you have to recap before your competitive exam and make a formula sheet and go prepared for the examination.